Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open a Porsche key. First thing first, flip the key fob over and look for a small release button or slider near the key ring end. Slide or press it and pull out the metal emergency key from the housing. Now with the emergency key removed, insert a plastic pry tool or small flathead screwdriver into the small gap near the emergency key slot. Gently twist the separate and the upper and lower halves of the fob. Work your way around the fob carefully to pop it open without cracking the plastic. Now inside, you'll see a small round like CR2032 battery. Use a plastic spudger on your fingernail to pop the battery out, and take note of the orientation positive side up before removing. And if you're repairing or replacing internals, remove any tiny Torx screws screwing, holding the board down, and lift the circuit board out of carefully, then disconnect or inspect button contacts and antennas or chips if needed. Now, insert the new battery and make sure it's aligned properly, then press the circuit board and housing back together. Snap the shell pieces until they click into place, then reinsert the emergency key. Just note that the battery type which most Porsche key fobs use is the CR2032 3-volt coin battery. No screws, some models are fully snapped together and don't require a Torx screwdriver. Also, symptoms of battery failure are diminished range, delayed unlocking, or no response. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.